told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
This is y'all first time seeing this hair on my page. It's actually my first time reviewing this hair. I don't even know what's in the box, y'all, so this one is a very special. I love the box, however it reminds me like of a Christmas box, so this is what you get in it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to put these on. They is coming up with these lashes. Y'all see them lashes? They ain't doing just one, they doing like two. Like I can do like a basic beat or something with these. Like, okay, these 2 clips that comes in the box. Ooh, a cute little hair clip, an elastic strap, always wig caps, and then the hair, y'all. I'm ready to customize this, but let me show y'all it in this natural state, and then I'm going to bleach it off camera and show y'all what it's looking like. This is Xrsbeauty Hair, and this is a body wave 20-inch 200% density, and the lace is called New Clear Lace. Okay, so they were very informative. They sent the lace. So they have a transparent lace right here, and they have a clear lace. This is the clear lace. That's the clear lace. Okay. Honestly, they look like it melts into my skin. 13 by 6 new clear lace. We'll leave the link in the description right below. They say the new clear lace is really clear, and it's undetectable to the head. So we about to put this to the test and see what it's about. Okay, purr. Density is really thick. This is how it is. You get a full bundle. It's crazy. So yeah, definitely I'm doing the middle part. I'm definitely gonna customize this lace. I might take y'all with me to customize this lace, or I might do it right here so that y'all can see. But it already, to me, looks like the hairline is kind of pre-plucked. But y'all already know I'm gonna pluck some more. This is the clear lace. Let's see. I'm going to bleach the knots, and I'm gonna be right back once it's time for me to pluck and customize this hairline. Alright, y'all, so before I bleach it, I am taking the combs out. I know I seen Eric and Tay video. My best friend, tagged me in it. So I watched it, and he says that he doesn't do the comb. So I'm taking my combs out as well. So this is the wig, y'all. I actually sprayed. I don't have Got2b glue at the moment, but I sprayed some. So after you sprayed it, you're going to take your bleach. I want to take my clear blue and y'all, I've gotten better with doing these frontals. A 40 volume developer, and I'm going to put this in with the powder. I just eyeball it. I don't know how much in front of this lace. Okay, so now I'm about to, this hair looks so beautiful too. Trying to get it to where y'all can see some of it, but yeah, I'm gonna slay this wig, boy. I did go ahead and add a little bit more consistency of 40 volume developer, well, more 40 volume developer to get this consistency that I have right here, because it was still a little thick to me. I don't know, I feel like it wasn't gonna seep through. So I'm gonna show you how I apply this, and I'm going to just spray this. There's no particular way to do this. Just spread it, and I'm using a light hand. I'll go right above the lace too. So you're gonna see how this new lace does. Okay, y'all. So this is supposed to be that. What's called is supposed to be the barrier. Like when I sprayed it, it's supposed to not see through, but I don't know if it is or not. But that's okay because I always take, if it does, most of the time it really doesn't. But when it does, I take a little bit of black and a mascara brush and just run it through it. Because I really just want all my knots to be gone. That's why. So it really doesn't matter to me. So I'm going to do this all over and I'm going to come right back. Wig. I'm going to zoom in a little closer. It didn't bleach like I wanted to. That's because I didn't leave it on as long because I'm trying to do a tutorial. But the sides, they bleached pretty well. But I did over bleach them. Not over bleach, but like the bleach sunk through. But once I plug it, it'll be fine. So I just put it in the middle part so that I know what size I want to plug or how it's going to go. So I just did a middle part. And I'm just going to pluck it. This time I'm going to be real precise on how I pluck this wig. Look how I wanted it. See? Like that. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bam. I'm going to go back and I'm going to re-bleach this. Only because I want my knots to be as, you know, not visible as possible. I don't want no knots. So I'm going to just take the time. I'm going to be up all night. But I'm going to take the time and I'm just going to bleach it again. What y'all think? It's decent. It's decent. Alright, y'all. So I use the stove hot combs. You see how hot they is? Let that cool off. But I use the stove hot combs because it get it really straight. That's it. Because really my sides don't really show. So it just... This is how the back of it looks. I parted it this way. So now I think I'm gonna plug my part a little bit wider, just a little bit. And then when I add the black in the middle part, it'll look better. To add my concealer to it. I'm about to add my concealer to it. I'm gonna bend it down so y'all can see me. Go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well. No, but when we get back, it's like oh my, all bad all day, but the night get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you
wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And knowing your attention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone, flex and hold it still and let my mind.
I want to do baby hairs. I couldn't do baby hairs, but I hate when my cow shows because I be plucking it too thin, y'all.
Treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Taking out these clips. I curl my own hair. I did it. Did it all.
Me in spite of my trauma, give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like
I'm gonna feather this out. I'm gonna come back with the style, and I'm gonna come right back.
on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.